Hey Math 8 students, this Khan Academy is called Intercepts from a Graph. Not horribly difficult, so let's just get right to it. The first thing we want to do is we want to find the y-intercept for this graph. What are the coordinate points of the y-intercept? Now the y-intercept, here's your y-axis right here, so it's where does the blue line cross this axis right there? You might agree it crosses right here where that little red dot is. Now, the x value of that dot is right here at 0, so we plug in a 0 for that portion, but the y portion of this right here is 0.4 or 0.4. So we plug in 0 and we plug in 0.4. Okay, the x coordinate is where does this cross on the x-axis. So if we look at our x-axis, where does the blue line cross here? You might notice it crosses right there. Now the x-coordinate for that is over 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, so 0.3, so you can see that's what I plugged in there for it. And the y-coordinate right here, it doesn't go up or down, so the y-coordinate is 0. That's all there is to it. Let's just go through one more for a quick demonstration. Alright, so here's the problem right here. You're going to notice on this one, we're going to look for the y-axis first, so that comes down here. It's right here between -40 and -50. Halfway between there is -45. So the y-coordinate is 0 for the x, -45 for the y. And then for the x-intercept, it's where does it cross on this line? You'll notice it crosses right here at -10. So we put that in at -10 and 0. Not much to it. Should be easy. Good luck.